4 reasons why you need protein in your diet, and it's not just for building muscle. Proteins are essential in our everyday life. Proteins are large molecules made up of amino acids. Now our body can make 11 of those amino acids, but the other 9 are called essential amino acids. We need to find them from our diet. We need to create them from the food that we eat. Now most people associate protein with growing muscle. Yes, we do need proteins to help with growth and repair. It helps to create new cells, but it also helps to create and repair existing cells. For example, if you've been doing a workout, you've been engaged in physical activity, you need proteins to help the muscles recover. Proteins also essential for helping to control and create our hormones, such as insulin, which helps to control our blood sugar levels. Proteins are also vital to help keep our immune system strong. It helps to create antibodies, which then helps to fight off harmful bacteria and viruses, therefore keeping a stronger immune system. While carbohydrates and fats can be used as our main sources of energy, you also can use protein to help with your energy sources, such as when you're involved in intense physical activity or when the diet has insufficient calories. Now, I'm not expecting you to now go and buy a bucket load of protein powder just to get your protein sources in. You can actually get them from food. As a general rule of thumb, you are looking between 1.2 grams to 1.8 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. With those guidelines, then you won't go far wrong. So foods that you can look to include in your daily diet to help increase your protein levels would be lean meats. You've got fish and seafood, nuts and seeds, legumes and beans, soy products that you can have, eggs and dairy, quinoa and whole grains, and there are also vegetables that are high in protein, such as broccoli, for example. So I'm hoping this gives you a quick overview of how you can incorporate protein into your diet and the important reasons of why you need to do that. So thank you for listening and take care.